Welcome to Brainy Quest. Today's challenge, Wild Animal IQ Test. Let's see how much you really know about the animal kingdom. Question 1. Which large cat has the loudest roar? A. Tiger. B. Lion. C. Jaguar. The correct answer is lion. Question 2. What is the only mammal native to New Zealand? A. Bat. B. Wallaby. C. Kiwi. The correct answer is bat. Question 3. Which bird can fly backwards? A. Hummingbird. B. Swallow. C. Sparrow. The correct answer is hummingbird. Question 4. What marine creature's heart is located in its head? A. Octopus. B. Lobster. C. Squid. The correct answer is octopus. Question 5. What animal is the largest member of the cat family? A. Lion. B. Tiger. C. Panther. The correct answer is tiger. Question 6. Which animal's eye is bigger than its brain? A. Ostrich. B. Dolphin. C. Crocodile. The correct answer is ostrich. Question 7. What is the largest species of lizard? A. Komodo dragon. B. Monitor lizard. C. Gila monster. The correct answer is Komodo dragon. Question 8. Which animal is famous for building dams? A. Otter. B. Beaver. C. Badger. The correct answer is beaver. Question 9. Which animal produces the world's most potent venom drop for drop? A. Inland taipan. B. Poison dart frog. C. Box jellyfish. The correct answer is inland taipan. Question 10. Which big cat is the best swimmer? A. Leopard. B. Tiger. C. Puma. The correct answer is tiger. Question 11. What land animal has the most powerful kick? A. Horse. B. Kangaroo. C. Giraffe. The correct answer is giraffe. Question 12. How long can emperor penguins hold their breath underwater? A. 5 minutes. B. 20 minutes. C. 2 minutes. The correct answer is 20 minutes. Thanks for playing Wild Animal IQ Test. Don't forget to subscribe for more smart, fun challenges here on Brainy Quest.